State lawmakers holding a press conference today to discuss the ongoing PFAS situation affecting many people across the state. As First News at 9's Dashiell Menzel shares, Wisconsinites are tired of waiting and are hoping newly introduced legislation will help get rid of these toxic forever chemicals.
Wisconsin State Senator Brad Pfaff and Representative Jill Billings visited Campbell today to discuss the introduction of a new legislation that would help Wisconsin communities address toxic PFAS contamination.
The piece of legislation that was introduced today by Representative Billings and I continues to move the discussion forward and the argument forward that we need to make sure that we pass PFAS legislation that protects the people and the residents here in the town of Campbell, as well as residents around the state.
Senator Jill Billings is asking citizens whose daily lives are affected by PFAS to speak out about it.
I think that every year more people learn about PFAS and that it exists everywhere, and that it's an issue in Wisconsin, throughout Wisconsin. So I'm encouraging people to contact their legislators, talk about coming to a common sense compromise.
Campbell has been dealing with major PFAS problems for 3 years. Town Supervisor Lee Donahue says the town has done plenty of work to help its citizens, but she still wants to see the state fix the issue completely.
We have a health advisory for all of the residents in Campbell not to drink their water, to have access to a safe, temporary alternative source of water. We've drilled a test well that we know is in a safe aquifer, and we've talked with the DNR. We did an extensive site survey about where we can put an elevated storage tank for municipal water system.
Senator Pfaff says Wisconsinites have been patient, but they are tired of having to deal with the toxic chemicals.
They're tired of drinking bottled water. They deserve better. They deserve to have their legislature get the job done. We need to make sure that we have comprehensive PFAS legislation that protects our taxpayers, that protects innocent landowners, make sure that the water that comes out of the tap is free of PFAS.
The proposed legislation would prohibit the sale of certain products that contain intentionally added PFAS substances beginning in 2028. In Campbell, Dashiell Menzel, First News at 9.
The legislation would also add PFAS standards for groundwater and drinking water, which, according to Senator Pfaff, the state of Minnesota already has in place.